Virtual network. What is a virtual network? This is a very important topic for AZ104. Approx 20% of the question will come from the virtual network. So, as per the definition, a virtual network is the private isolated network in Azure that allow Azure resources like VM, app service, database, etc. to secure communicate with each other with on-premises network or the internet. Think of the VNet as the cloud version of your on-premises LAN, local area network. So, what is the virtual network? Virtual network is the network that is virtually we define for our VM. Suppose if you created a VM and after that, if you want to connect your VM to another VM, or if you want to connect your VM to another server, or if you want to connect your VM to outside a public network or public system, then how you will proceed? So there the first step is the virtual network. You need to configure the VM network by the VM virtual network. Whatever you will configure, that network will allow you to get the data and send the data. Right. So for all these configuration, virtual network comes in picture, and this will help you to create the communication between the two system or more than two system. This is the virtual network. Normal network, for more understanding, you can understand virtual network is simple and network, but that is defined in the Azure side. So it's called virtual network because that network you cannot see, but whereas physical network have a LAN, have a WAN, whereas in that network you cannot see, so it's called virtual network. Same as the VM, virtual machine. The computer which we have is called the physical machine, a normal machine, or laptop. But in Azure, whenever we create our computer, it's called virtual machine. Same a network which we use to allow or access or communicate with other system is called network. But that network, if it's come in Azure side, so it's called a virtual network. Right. Now, all the feature what is in network same is in virtual network. So isolate and secure by default in virtual network. Support subnet. Yes, as subnet support network, so here in virtual network it's also support NSG, network security group, VPN, virtual network gateway, and firewalls. Everything, whatever we use in networks, everything is support in the virtual network as well. Can connect to on-prem via the VPN or Express. Subnet. A subnet is a smaller network segment within a virtual network that help you to organize and isolate the resource. So subnet break your virtual network into logical grouping of the security, routing, and access control. Inside the network, if you want to create your own group of network, that is called the subnet, right? Each subnet has their own IP range within the VM net range. Yes. So it will be inside the VM and inside the network, and there will be a proper network IP. So in that network IP, there will be a group of net is called the subnet. Resource in the same subnet can communicate directly. Yes, very important benefit of the subnet is that can communicate easily. A subnet can communicate directly. For that, there is no need to create any rules. Subnet can be associated with energy network security group or the route table. Inside the like 10.0.0/16 or VNet 10, 10, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 16.0.1.0/24. So what is the meaning of 16 and 24? These are 16 and 24 tell about web subnets. For that you can see a /24 app subnet and 10.0.3.0.24 is the database subnet. Right. So each layer of your app is logically isolated and you can apply different firewall rules to each. I will also explain all the example. One question definitely come in the related to the subnet that I will explain in very depth in once we will talk about the subnet with example and lots of calculation will come and that calculation I will explain in next slides, next 4 to 5 slides. After 4 slides, 5 slides, I will explain that subnet based question how comes and how we will calculate. Right now, we will talk about the VNet peering. VNet peering is the way to connect two Azure VNet so that resource can communicate across them privately. As they are the part of the same network, it's likely connecting two office line over the high-speed private line without using a VPN, virtual private network. So peering means we are peering network, two system. This is called the VNet peering. In the VNet peering, there is no need to use any VPN. What is the benefit of the VPN peering? VNet peering is the low latency, high bandwidth private connection. No need a public IP or virtual private network. Support cross-region peering, global VNet peering as well. Support transitive routing with the custom route table if configured.